Hi everyone and welcome back. It's James. Long time no see. I've got a junior high school game that I'd like to share with you. And I believe it's called Word Chain. Now there are probably different variations to this game, but I'm going to show you a very easy one that you can use in your classes. So you would have a list of categories. For example, animals, food, countries, sports, colors, jobs, fruits, vehicles, clothing, hobbies. Okay, I have 10 categories. For each category, you would write related words. So for example, animals, cat, tiger, rabbit, lion, monkey, koala, antelope, etc. And then for food, apple, pizza, banana, avocado, ice cream, carrot, like that. So this is the way I would teach it to junior high. Everyone, we are going to play a game called Word Chain. Word is what? Tango. They'll say tango. Kotaba. Very good. They're the same. Chain is this. Okay? It's a link. Chain is just chain in Japanese. Okay? So chain. Word chain. And then I would just go right into it. So I will give you a category. And if they don't know the word category, you just say it like this, category. Believe it or not, category is category. So I will give you a category. Notice the way I enunciated that. So for example, I say animals. The category is animals. I see dog. This person says cat. This person says mouse. This person says rabbit. This person says pig. Alright, do you understand that? And they should understand that. You lose when you don't know what to say next. So teachers, you don't need to time this. Don't add extra pressure, but you can if you feel that they're pretty good. Okay, are you ready? Category number 1, animals. Cat. This person says rabbit. Pig. Mouse, elephant, zebra, me too. Okay, koala, wolf, good. Okay, etc. It goes all the way around. Okay, when you run out of words, just move on to the next category. You don't have to berate anyone. Okay, category number 2, food. Okay, you can say any food. It's up to you if you want to allow Japanese food or not. It's okay to use Japanese food, but they're going to outdo me, they're going to outdo you. Alright, food. Apple. Banana, good. Cherry, good. Pizza, good. Ice cream, okay. Popcorn, okay, etc. It goes all the way around. Not candy. Cake is okay. Okay, the next category is countries. Do you want to start first? Oh, Canada, excellent. USA, all right. Say America or say the United States of America. Italy, France, China, South Korea, all right. Good job. Okay, then move on to sports. Okay. The category is sports. Soccer, basketball, baseball, sumo, okay. Boxing, swimming, excellent. Okay, like this. The next category is colors. Do you want to start? White, okay. Blue, yellow, black, red, purple, excellent. Like this. The next category is jobs. Do you want to start? Doctor, firefighter, teacher, nurse, musician, singer, like this. The next category is fruits. Do you want to start? Strawberry, cherry, grapes, melon, watermelon, apple, excellent. All right, the next category is vehicles. That's norimono. Do you want to start? Car, bicycle, airplane, helicopter, UFO, no, no, no. We don't know if that's real or not. Boat, bicycle, like that. The next category is clothing. Okay, shirt, pants, shorts, t-shirt, blouse, underwear. Good, underwear, like that. The next category is hobbies. Okay, the next category is hobbies. Painting, singing, studying, reading, writing, cooking, hiking, like that. This is a great game for your junior high and even high school students. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, like and subscribe to my channel. We'll talk to you again. Bye.